This is the repair of the CMC PT35 add-on or factory or non-factory power tilt and trim. I have it on this little 16-foot boat, and I've got it a 25 horsepower 4-stroke on it, and it wouldn't work. We did everything we could. I mean, we checked everything on the thing. Here's the tilt switch for it. And what we found out was this little, after I got the circuit breaker out, this little circuit breaker there, it's called a shortstop, was defective. It has a reset button in the end of it there, and apparently that's what allowed moisture, this damp Gulf Coast moisture, to get in there and corrode it, and it wouldn't work. So we called the factory for CMC, and they don't sell that little switch. You got to buy the whole harness. We called a local marina, and they said they could order this thing 40 amp 12 or 24 volt, this exact piece here, for $46 and some change. With tax it'd be just over $50. My wife called what was it, Advance Auto Parts, and we bought this little, let me set it right here, this little piece right here for $3.40, 46 cents or something. 49, what was it? $3.59, and it is a 12 volt, not a 12-24 volt, 40 amp automatic reset switch. And here is the tilt and trim working. I'm going to push it up, going down, going up, going down. So if someone else has the same problem with a CMC power tilt and trim, now this thing works great. It really does an outstanding job. If you don't have it on there and you've got a 16-foot runabout or something like that, your boat is sort of in a little deadlock position there. It'll only, when you give it all the gas that it will take, other than that, over a certain point it starts nosing down, and you've got to be able to trim it to get the optimum performance out of your motor and your boat. And so I am really sold on this thing. However, when it quits working, one of the first things you want to check is that little switch there. Now also those little relays go bad, but in this particular case that was not the problem. It was the short stop circuit breaker.